Hey there, Darren Chupp here again with Chupp Industrial in Choteau, Oklahoma. Standing here in front of one of our attachments that we offer for sale. It's a skid steer, rock screener, or dirt screener. Today I'm using it to screen soil that's going to go into our gardens. Behind me you can see a pile of large clumps, a lot of clay in there that this is sifted through. Over here's the pile of screened dirt that we'll be putting into the garden. The way this comes, it's set up with it's set up to screen rocks. If you so desire, we can add bars in here that will screen the dirt down even smaller. But again, this is a rock screener or a dirt screener. Get a scoop in your bucket, turn on your auxiliary hydraulics. This will rotate and screen your material, dump your excess in a different pile. So let me show you how that works.